But that was the big finale last night with Dancing with the Stars.
Big finale, the Olympian took it home. She's the third Olympian in American Idol and the third Olympian to win. So
Dancing with the Stars.
Dancing with the Stars. So
Yeah.
all the Olympians win.
I was kind of surprised that she won. I didn't think she was that good myself, even though I didn't watch this week's performance.
Yeah. No, she's good. She knows what she's doing, you know.
I think Jill's, man.
Yeah, I thought Jill Marini would win the competition too.
Yeah.
But Shawn Johnson, she tied him on Monday night when they danced. They ended up with the same score. So, yeah, she deserved it. She
All right.
deserved it.
Well, enough of that. What happened on Martin last night?
Gosh, Nene was acting a fool.
I know that's right. She wasn't on the Love Jones connection with Chris Rock and what was my name on that show? Oh, DeAndre. All right, we got to take a break. We'll be back in a minute now. 7:13 here at WPGC.